So, instead every computer can share its resources with any other, the potential disadvantage to a peer-to-peer network are that typically less security and less control exist because users normally administer their own systems, whereas client-server networks have the advantage of centralized administration.
Step 1. Strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inch down from the end. Step 2. Spread the four pairs of twisted wire apart.
Step 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them in T568B orientation. Be sure not to untwist them any farther down the cable than where the jacket begins. We want to leave as much of the cable twisted as possible.
Step 4. Cut the wires as straight as possible, about 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket.
Step 5. Carefully insert the wires all the way into the modular connector, making sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guides inside the connector.
Step 6. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down.
Step 7. Repeat step 1 to 6 for the other end of the cable.
Step 8. To make sure you successfully terminated each end of the cable, use a cable tester to test each pin.
So, first thing to do is to connect the Ethernet cables, crossover cabling to each computer and to the router of the network.